We're told to play it safe, work hard, save money, follow the path laid out for us. A slow climb to a comfortable gauge, but deep down you know there's something more, a flicker of something bigger, bolder. What if that money tucked away wasn't just for some distant retirement? What if it was fuel for the fire burning inside you? Skills to unlock your earning power, connections that open doors you never saw, risks that could change everything. They call it saving. I call it stagnation. We weren't built for cages, no matter how comfortable they seem. It's time to break free and invest in the extraordinary version of yourself. See, the thing is, saving and slow and steady investing is like driving with one foot on the brake, afraid to truly accelerate. It might feel safe, but is that how you want to travel through your life? MJ DeMarco hit the nail on the head. Real wealth isn't built by penny pinching. It's paved with bold decisions, calculated risks, and a relentless drive to create something extraordinary. Think bigger. Instead of watching stocks scroll upwards, imagine the rush of owning your own venture. A product that you believe in, a service that fills a need. History is full of those that took that chance and changed everything. Let's bust some myths, shall we? Sure, save a little, $300 a month, and maybe in 30 years, you'll be able to retire comfortably. But that's not what sets your soul on fire, is it? Did you know that a whopping 80% of millionaires are self-made? They didn't wait for someone to hand it to them, they built it. Think of the people who turned their passions into empires. Steve Jobs, tinkering in his garage, revolutionized the way we connect. The countless YouTubers that poured their creativity into a camera and built thriving communities. These aren't lucky lottery winners, they're the result of believing in your own potential to create something of value. The best investment you'll ever make isn't in some stock ticker, it's in yourself. Skip the shares, buy the course that levels up your skills, the gear that brings your vision to life. Every dollar left untouched is a missed chance to grow, to build, to become. What's holding you back? Is it fear? The voice that whispers you can't? You need the mindset of an empire builder. Shift your focus from what you lack to the abundance you can attract. As Tony Robbins reminds us, the path to wealth begins in your own mind. But hey, are you falling for another trap? Lifestyle inflation. You finally get ahead and suddenly it's all spent on status symbols. That extra cash could be your rocket fuel. It's the difference between looking rich and being rich. And listen, setbacks are part of the journey. They're not failures, they're lessons. Remember, Edison didn't invent the light bulb without burning through 1,000 filaments first. Persistence, grit, that's the stuff of real entrepreneurs. So here's the question rattling in your soul. Are you willing to play the long game, waiting decades for a mere taste of freedom? Or are you ready to ignite your financial revolution? Are you ready to invest in your extraordinary self and turn your knowledge into action? Because let me tell you, the world doesn't pay for potential, it pays for results. Of course, emergencies happen, so be smart and have a cushion. But if you yearn for a life beyond the ordinary, you need to stop playing squirrel and start acting like a lion. But Charl, I just need to read a couple more books, then I'll be ready. Really? Stop stalling. Stop making excuses. But if you really want to find out the secret, the 5 books that will make you rich, watch this video. I'll see you in the next one.